Now this is how you can update Google Chrome on the iPhone. So let me show you exactly how it works, and if you're new on Foxtecc on this channel, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So as you can see, I can go to my phone and look up the Chrome browser, which works. I can get inside, it's all fine, right? But the point is that I may not be running the latest version. Even though I have the app, it may not be the latest Google Chrome available. To check that out, I actually go to the App Store, which is the A icon on a blue background, the place you get and download all of the apps. So you tap it like this, and into the search, you type in the Chrome like this. And as I say, even though we already have the app installed, you can see that in here, if I take a look at it, there is the update button available. And if there is one, it's definitely a good idea to install it like that. You don't have to scan your face to confirm it or anything like that, because the app is already on your phone. You just have to wait for it to be downloaded, and then you will see that the app is gonna be on the latest version. A lot of times you perhaps may not even notice a difference, but there are some things in the background which got fixed, right? You can see in here 5 days ago there is what's new in this. So the latest update is telling me that I can do some different things, whatever, but that is how you can get the latest version. So as you can see, I have successfully updated my Google Chrome. So if you have done the same on your device, just hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials and quick guides like this one, and I'll see you in the next videos as well.